Okay, so I'm reviewing the DeLonghi espresso maker. It's the EC260 from Amazon. This is straight out of the box. So initially, you have your coffee port over here. You're going to get two of these coffee holders. This is a one shot. I have the two shot here, which is essentially, you turn left and you remove it. You're just gonna pull it out of there. So that's a two shot. This is a one shot. They also give you a little storage compartment right there. This is your water filter tray. You're gonna fill that with filtered water. And initially what's going to happen is your first go around, you're going to fill this up all the way, close the lid. You're going to put one of your coffee holders into the slot. Okay, so you're going to put that on there, turn counterclockwise to tighten it up. You're going to turn clockwise to loosen it up. This is your coffee, your milk frother. So what you're going to do is essentially for the first use is you're going to put a bowl under here. You're going to fill the tank all the way to full. You're going to put the coffee maker onto the, as you can see here, the little coffee pot and the water. So, and right here is your water gauge. So this is going to be completely full on your first use. You're essentially just going to turn it onto that, and it's going to warm up. The ready light will come on. It takes a little while, but eventually the water will start coming out of these two ports right here. You're going to wait until the water gets halfway, and then you're going to empty. You can turn it on to stop it, the flow of water, and then you're going to empty that container of hot water. And then you're going to come here on the side, and on the side, this is where you have your 0 to steam, your function. You're going to put it on that section, and water will come out of there, out of this unit right here. And you will empty out the second half of the tank. You're going to do that process twice, and then your coffee maker is ready to go. One thing I really like about the DeLonghi is this product registration. You pretty much just scan this little barcode, and then you're going to text to this number, or you can do it on Messenger or online on the website. And then you pretty much just 2 steps to register your product. Up here is, this gets actually really warm, so you can put your coffee cup here while the machine is getting going. You will have a tamper, a coffee tamper, and a scoop, as you can see here. And then those 2 coffee sizes, the 1 shot and the 2 shot. And then that's pretty much it. But for the size, it's really nice. And I will have another video of the first cup of coffee, espresso.
So here is the filter. Here is the base. And you can see on the filter, there is, let's see if I can find a way of pointing to it. There is a detent, this here, and around on the other side, this here. That piece is meant to align with this slot here, the slot right here. It goes in and aligns and goes down into that slot. And on the other side also aligns with the slot. And the problem is that when this is inside and I put it onto the machine, when I pull it off of the machine, this part twists like that. See, it turns. It's not supposed to turn, but when I remove the base from the machine, it rotates, and then it's jamming inside here, and you can see the groove on the metal There's a groove on the right and a groove on the left. So I guess it's actually sliding both directions. And this piece right here is supposed to stay in the slot, but it's rotating around to the right, to the left. And when that happens, this piece is very difficult to remove because this has rotated to the side and it becomes jammed. Right now it comes out very easily. I can pull it out with one hand, but when it's rotated when it's down and rotated, it's jammed. I have to take several screwdrivers to pry it out, and you can see that it's causing damage to the metal. You can see where it's scraping the metal there when it's rotating, and then when I pull it out, you can see another scrape as I pull it up. That's the problem. And it looks like there's something wrong with the design that allows that to turn, or maybe the tolerances. But I'm wondering if you guys have a solution to this problem. I posted online for the Amazon review, and I've noted that other people have had this problem, and I wonder if you guys have a solution.
So here is the DeLonghi cappuccino machine. So I opened it and poured some water in this container over here. It also has a little one-shot espresso measurement, and the water tank is in here. I already put some water in here. So I'm gonna brew some coffee. This is for 2 shots, and this is how you put it in. It comes with this portafilter already. So I'm gonna try to brew some coffee. And it also comes with this plastic spoon, and I can press it like this to make sure it's nice and even. And so I turned it on, and now I'm gonna put it in like so. And I'm gonna try, and so now the light is ready, it's green. So I'm gonna put it on and turn this knob. So you see right there, it's coming. One thing is, it's not gonna turn off automatically. So you have to stop it whenever you feel you want to stop it. Like, I like my coffee very strong, so I'm just gonna stop it right now. And you can see it made a very good.
So my problem is the portafilter does not come out easily. When you move this whole thing, the thing is stuck up in there. So you have to, ow, it's still hot. So what I have worked around is turning it on and letting it run, and then it will eventually unstick and drop and make a huge mess. The other option is to wait until it cools off and then pry it out with my hands or something sticky like a piece of Dyson. So that's not ideal.
Hello everyone, this is the new Espresso machine that I just got from Amazon. Can't wait to try it with you guys.
Got my little coffee corner going. Great, great product. Absolutely love it.